Yeah, I am. As you know, the strategists kind of coming into this year with, flat to up markets. I mean, people have raised their estimates. I think the last 2 months of the year got some of the animal spirits going, but you're seeing, I think, the high call for the end of 2024 outside of me is maybe 5,200, and some have said if really things really stretch, could go to 5,500. I'm looking for 7,000 on the S&P, not at the end of the year, but sometime this year. I think, we're, as I've said many times, we're coming to the end of a 41-year secular bull market, and I think there's a final melt up stage that we have entered. I think it really started back at the end of October of last year. Obviously, we had a pretty strong run into the end of the year. We paused the first week of this year, but I really think we're getting going, and that first quarter is going to be very strong. It may spill into the second quarter, but if I'm right about how fast this thing's going to get going, this could be the biggest rally in the history of the stock market.